Hey, buddy. We're gonna make you a little perch. Turn that light into a perch. Oh, dang, buddy. Come over here, buddy. Here, step down. Oh, man, you're funny, man. Hi. Hey, little buddy. Ah.
Ouch. Did he get you pretty good?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. He only gave me a kiss. That was just a kiss, I think. Or you think I should get my ear pierced? You're a funny bird, huh? I don't think you got me too
Dad,
bad.
you should pet him.
Should I try to pet the birdie?
Like, subscribe if you think.
So every day for like 2 weeks, this bird comes knocking on our door, front door, back door. Bird will like follow us around, even when she's jumping rope right here. So it's pretty cool. I think that was just like a little kiss they gave me on the ear. I don't see Mark, do you?
Nope. I just see burns.
But it's a little crazy. Like, I mean, I have an African gray parrot. She has a parakeet. We've had a cockatoo for a little over a year. So we're parrot people, but never had a wild bird land on us.
And not pizza.
Yeah, it's definitely not pizza. Yeah, we were feeding pizza to a bunch of pigeons one time. We named one of them Pizza. This pigeon's
only
definitely
was
different.
one. It was only one eating pizza, so we called him Pizza.
Yeah, he loves pizza.
And he don't have white on the beak. Everything it matched but the white on the beak.
Yeah, we think this is an American racer pigeon. Drop a comment down below if you know what kind of pigeon this is. Hey, little buddy. There you are. Say hello. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Come here. Hold still, I'll pet you. Cuckoo, cuckoo.
Come on, man.
Ah. What's up, buddy? I don't know if I want you on my shoulder, but you're pretty cool.
Dad,
Hi.
you need to change your shirt after this.
I know,
We're taking
right?
Angel to the park.
Here, buddy. There you go. Oh, thanks for going off of me. Oh, what a sweetie. Thank you.
Pet? Dad, you should try to pet him.
Yeah. One of these days, I'm going to get the courage to pet Felix right there. We named him Felix.